Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I can personally attest that some kids have very sensitive hearing. If that's the case for your children, you may want to consider these awesome headphones. These are from RIIKUNTEK. They're designed to really provide great protection against loud noises or give your kids some quiet time for studying by blocking outside noises out. The set of 2 headphones is very sturdy feeling. They're made of a hard, durable plastic around the earmuff itself, and they help out when it comes to 26 decibels. So they really block out a lot of outside noises while still allowing a little bit of hearing that they need. They're completely adjustable thanks to the metal pieces that are partly encased in the heavy-duty plastic. In addition, the strap that goes around the top of their head is 100% leather, so it's very soft feeling and it feels very comfortable once it's placed on. We also know that kids love awesome colors, so they very thoughtfully made these in very fun blues, light blues, and pinks, making them very fun and appealing to kids. I know for my daughter, as soon as she saw them, she snatched one up and was wearing it all around the house. So this provides extra protection when it comes to them being able to have quiet time for study, but also can help them so much when it comes to loud noises if they have very sensitive ears. These headphones are well constructed, really durable, and your kids will enjoy using them as well. But that's my point of view.